Aloha, beautiful people. Welcome to the coaching on whatever the date is today. It's Thursday, the 14th of August, 2025. I knew that. Today, we are working on deepening our intuition. And when I was in meditation about this class today, the biggest thing that I'm picking up with people and with clients over the last month is with all the fear going on in the world and not knowing really what's going to happen, because there's the fear of the unknown, there's so many things at play. We need to be able to be so plugged in to our intuition so we will be in the right place at the right time. Because when you have that really strong intuition, you are like fearless. You just know you're going to know, and you trust that, and then you have your own back. So I would like to lead you into a meditation today to strengthen that. And I will be doing some singing. And so all you need to do is really be comfortable with where you're sitting. So I do want you with your legs uncrossed, please. Feet flat on the floor, because most of you are sitting. You can lie down if you're listening to this afterwards. And sitting up nice and tall. And then before we start, if it's easy, I would like everyone to have some water. I need some. Just let's drink some water. That helps the cells communicate better. So let's begin the meditation. I invite you all to gently close your eyes and taking a nice deep breath and letting out a sigh. The sound of your voice is very comforting to your nervous system. And just taking another slow, deep breath. Relaxing the body on the in-breath, and gently exhale and letting sound leave your body. And let's do that one more time. And sitting a bit taller and letting your shoulders soften. Unclench the jaw. Let it soften. And start breathing a steady, natural rhythm. So become very present and aware of your breath. And just listen to your breath. And bring your awareness to the space between your eyebrows. The seat of the soul, your inner vision. And again, keeping the steady, gentle breath, that natural rhythm with your awareness on the space between your eyebrows. And imagine a soft, glowing light. It's like a golden light that's glowing here. Warm and steady. With each inhale, that light grows brighter. With each exhale, It expands through your mind, clearing away doubt, fear, and overthinking. Breathing in, allowing that golden light to grow brighter. And breathing out, letting that light expand through your mind, clearing away any tendrils of doubt, fear, and overthinking. Just practice that for a few moments. Now place one hand on your heart and one hand on your belly. And feel the gentle rise and fall of your breath. Still with your awareness on this golden glow that is slowly building on the inhale and washing through your body on the exhale. Feeling the gentle rise and fall of the breath in the body, and whisper inwardly to yourself, I trust my inner knowing. I hear the quiet voice within. Allow any sensations, feelings, or images to arise without judgment. Being with your breath, being with the golden light, and the statement, I trust my inner knowing. I hear the quiet voice within. And your intuition may speak in whispers, in pictures, or in a calm sense of just knowing. Just simply notice that. Breathe and receive. And now ask, what do I need to hear today that is for my highest good? Still being aware of the rise and fall of the belly. Be with the breath and allow your inner knowing to speak with you. Just be with the silence, allowing those gaps between the thoughts to grow wider and larger. Now, from stillness to sound, keep your eyes closed, stay within, and let these words and notes ripple through your inner knowing, creating the perfect cymatic pattern to gently guide you home to yourself. My mind is still, my body knows what's right for me, my heart it feels, trusting life and feeling free, my intuition flows, filling my senses, my intuition flows, filling my senses, my mind is still, my body knows what's right for me, my heart it feels, trusting life and feeling free, my intuition flows, filling my senses, my intuition flows, filling my senses, my mind is still, my body knows what's right for me, my heart it feels, trusting life and feeling free, my intuition flows, filling my senses, my intuition flows, filling my senses, my mind is still, my body knows what's right for me, my heart it feels, trusting life and feeling free, my intuition flows, filling my senses, my intuition flows, filling my senses. And from sound to stillness, sitting a bit taller, notice how you're feeling. And ask again, what do I need to hear today that is for my highest good? And again, becoming aware of your breath, the rise and the fall I trust my inner knowing. I hear the quiet voice within. And when you're ready, take a final deep breath in, letting the golden light fill your entire body. Exhale slowly, feeling this golden light ground you, clear you, and connect you to your deepest wisdom. Let's take another deep breath and feel that again. On the out breath, allow the golden light to wash through your entire body, grounding, clearing, and connecting you to your deepest wisdom. And feel the stillness. Notice the bliss of that. And now I invite you to gently open your eyes, carrying this stronger connection to your intuition with you. Sound always helps to bring us back. Let's do that a few more times. And on the next out breath, we're going to hum. So in. And just letting your breath come back into that natural, steady rhythm. And I'm inviting you now, because we can, to share what that experience was like, whether you received a message, and if you have any questions, basically. Because sometimes when we're trying to be still, we're sort of still in that doing mode. And it really takes a lot of surrender to allow ourselves to be still. So, Sandra, yes.